So I already cut through this. This is old cell phone with the Leatherman Raptors here. I'm bored at work. I'm stuck at the desk. Got the cameras to look at. Been looking at those, of course, but there goes all that. I'm gonna try and do it against the keyboard. I already took off the battery. So let's see what we can do here. Screen was harder. You gotta use both hands to really crunch it in. By no means easy, but trying to do it without twisting too much. But once you get to this point right here with solid objects, see, it kind of gets stuck and you need more leverage, but I'm already halfway through, well, more than half now. Go to the other side, try and line it up, because I don't want to press in these. I'm already pressing really hard. Just gotta keep digging it up in there. There we go. Yeah, see? There goes the SIM card, at least half of it. These things will cut through anything. There's the other half. And it's pretty, I mean, the buttons move around once you start cutting into them. But it's not that bad. These guys will cut through pretty much anything. Leatherman Raptors.